Hello everybody, it's FatBoy800lbs, and right now is a big storm outside my house. Trees fell and everything. Huge. Big storm. See, all rain and shit. Well, you really can't see on this camera, so no, never mind, doesn't even matter. But anyway, so I said this could be prime for a big storm review. Now I got here, went to Walmart, and I got donuts. These are The Bakery, Baked with Pride, Baker's Dozen, number 13, Glazed Yeast Ring Donuts. Now, like the packaging said, oh, I was enlightening. Ka-chow. It's 13 donuts. So they look like some donuts here, you know, just like any other donut. These are from Walmart, but you know, big thing about generic food and Walmart stuff. Some people think that, oh, Walmart, look down on it. It's just like all the other name brand stuff. So I'm here to see if that is true for these donuts. So, open them up. The smell test. Guess what they smell like? Glazed donuts. Smells a little bit like the Krispy Kremes too. Alright, which one is mine? I'd say this one right here. What hand am I? Yeah, left hand. So, pretty wet because they're glazed. Soft too. I bought them yesterday, so they've been sitting here for about, I don't know, like half a day. Maybe a little bit less than 20, or not 24 hours. Yeah, no, 24 hours. I mean, yeah, doesn't matter. But anyway, see, look at that glaze. Oh man, look at that. All right, so smells good. All right, let's go for the taste. Seems like the wind is... I don't know if you heard that. Wow, some big thunder. I was gonna say the wind has died down a little bit. But I just don't want any more trees falling. There was a big tree that fell. Huge magua. And for those of you who don't know what magua means, look it up. But anyway, the donut tastes good. I'm eating this room temperature. But I'm gonna put another one in the microwave because it says on the box, it says pop it in the microwave for 8 seconds and enjoy. So I'm gonna see if that makes it better or not as much. But otherwise, it's sweet, tastes just like any other glazed donut you get. So, you know, how much were these donuts? It was like 3 something, yeah, like 3 something. Cheap, you know, for $13. Pop it in there for 8 seconds. Let's see how that is. Another one. Eight. All right, that was 8 seconds. So let's see if the box is right. Let's see if I will enjoy this better or less better from putting it in the microwave. Wow, bakery fresh. They were already soft to begin with, but like if you had them for a couple days, they'll probably harden up on you a little bit. So put, I don't know, 8 seconds. So let's see if the box is right. Let's see if I will enjoy this better or less better from putting it in the microwave. Wow, bakery fresh. They were already soft to begin with, but like if you had them for a couple days, they'll probably harden up on you a little bit. So put putting it in there for 8 seconds is really gonna help it freshen back up. Do I like it more in the microwave or regular? I would have to say microwave. Makes it more fresh, more, you know, a little warm. Brings out the sweetness a little bit. So I'd say that's pretty good. Now, out of 10. Out of 10 for the Walmart The Bakery glazed donuts, I'd say a good 8.8. Because very good, just like any name brand donut. They are good, very sweet, nice. Not overly sweet, because I don't like overly sweet. Who the hell is calling me? Who does it say? Don't tell me. You know what? I'm gonna go look. Oh. It's my grandmother. I gotta take this. Alright, go and buy these.